Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from shouldigetit.com, and this is an unboxing of the Blue Yeti microphone. I've been wanting to try a Yeti for about 10 years now. I actually had a Blue Snowball a long time ago. I think that was one of my very first tech reviews that I did, and now I decided that I want to try the Yeti, see how it compares to my Samson Q2U microphone. I also actually picked up a Yeti X, so I'm going to see if there's a difference between those two and which one I decide on, so look out for that video coming very soon. And in this video, I just want to show you what's in the box and do a quick sample test. So in the box, it's very simple. There's another box inside the packaging. In that box, you have the microphone, which is already pre-assembled on the stand, and then you have a micro USB cable, and it is regular USB. So keep in mind, if you have one of the newer Mac laptops, you will need a USB-C adapter if you don't already have one. I put some links to the ones I use in the description below. That's pretty much all that's in the box. On the left and right side of the microphone, you have tightening screws to control which angle you want it at. I found that they're actually very loose even if you tighten them. You could see the microphone kind of fell over on its own as I pushed it, and so I guess that's to leave it loose enough where you can adjust the angle if you need to in real time, but I'm not a huge fan of that. The microphone is very heavy, feels extremely sturdy. It's definitely never going to slide around. Probably weighs, I don't know, maybe 1 to 3 pounds, somewhere around there. And then on the front, you can see that there is a mute switch, so you can mute it at any time. There's also a microphone gain on the back, so you can control how sensitive the microphone is. You have 4 different recording patterns on the rear, and then on the front you also have a monitor knob, and monitoring means you can plug in your headphones to the bottom. You can see there's a 3.5mm port there. You can plug your headphones into the bottom and listen to yourself in real time, which is what I'm doing right now. There's also a thread on the bottom of the microphone if you want to mount it to an arm, like I have my Samson Q2U mounted. I also have a link to that arm down in the description below. But that is a quick unboxing of the Blue Yeti. This is the Blackout edition. You've been listening to it this entire time, and here's a live demo recorded into GarageBand. So as you've been hearing the entire unboxing video, the Blue Yeti sounds pretty phenomenal, and you can hear it right here recording into GarageBand on my computer. Now, I must say the microphone does take up a good amount of room on the desk, so keep that in mind. It's very heavy, it feels very nice, it also looks fantastic, I might add, and this is what it sounds like with the P's. So if I say popcorn, pilly patty, pickles, pastrami, Paris, the P's is pretty good. It blocks out the popping pop 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 sound from what I can hear, and I can turn up the volume of myself in my headphones here. I can also change the modes on the back and also change the gain of the microphone, so you can see that as I'm standing here, of course it doesn't have much sensitivity going on, but I can turn up the gain, and now it's going to get more and more of my voice, but also of course more of the background noise as well of the lights and the appliances in the kitchen, which are down the hall. Now if I turn the gain back again and I stand closer, you can see of course when we're close to the microphone it's going to sound the best. And to change the various pattern modes, you can move the dial on the bottom. It is a little bit difficult to move, so it takes 2 hands usually, but you guys probably heard it click there. Maybe now you hear that it changed into, I believe, the bidirectional mode. So now you should be able to hear my snaps a little bit clearer. And then we have 2 more patterns here, but overall, I think that the Yeti sounds great. So that is the Blue Yeti. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe for more. If you want one, you can get it at Best Buy or Amazon. I have the link down below. Ask your questions in the comments. And of course, if you want to see the other microphones that I'm trying out, click on one of the videos in the description, and I'll see you there. Peace.